Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I'm getting ready to go out fishing. Gonna try to record a little bit so that you guys see, but yeah, just waking up a little bit more. So I'll see you guys when I'm out fishing. Hey guys, so before we go fishing, we gotta go up to Canadian Tire, get a paddle for the boat. After that, we're going to be going out fishing. First stop is Canadian Tire. Hey guys, so we got the boat in the water now. Got it all tied up to the dock. All we gotta do now is just go out and we're ready to go fishing. Video. Hey guys, so at this point in the video, basically what you're seeing is police out checking for boating and pleasure craft licenses. Before they caught up to them, they came to us and checked to see if we had our license. Of course we do, and making sure we had life vests on or PFDs, which we did. We're wearing them at all times, just to let you guys know what you're seeing right there. Hey guys, so we're all done fishing. The bugs were pretty bad out there today, so did a little bit of fishing. Didn't get nothing. If we did, I would have filmed it. But we are back and now loading up the boat. There's the boat all tied up to the dock. My friend's gonna go get the car so we can put this bad girl on the trailer. The bugs were bad out there today. Did a little bit of fishing, then went for a little boat ride as well. I got some good footage. I don't have too much footage of me fishing though. I'm going to be going back out fishing again later on, again tonight with our friend. I gotta get this loaded up, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey guys, So I've been home for like probably 30 to an hour now. Went out fishing, didn't catch nothing. Brought the boat back to my buddy's place, and now I'm just hanging out with him, having a couple of drinks, and just relaxing. Hey guys, sorry I haven't vlogged much. I just got home. I went out fishing with a friend. Did not record because I did not catch nothing at all. I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. I am tired. I've been out all day fishing. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys all in a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, links are in the description below. And check out my last video.